How to fix NVIDIA FPS drops and performance issues. First, you will need to open the Start menu and search for NVIDIA Control Panel, and then click on this app to open it. Once this is open, you want to click on Manage 3D Settings, and then go to the Global Settings tab, and then scroll down till you see Shader Cache Size. Now switch it from Driver Default to Disabled. And then you want to click on the Apply button on the right bottom. Next, you will need to open the Start menu and search for NVIDIA app, or download it and install it if you don't have it already. Then you want to go to the Drivers section and then select Game Ready Driver. Click on the arrow and make sure to download and install the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. And if you have it already installed, try to reinstall it by clicking this button right here. And next, you will need to open up this PC. So if you search for this PC, click on it, and then right click on the main hard drive, go on Properties, and then click on Disk Cleanup. And in this window, make sure to select DirectX Shader Cache, check the box next to it, and then click on OK to clean the temporary files. And then click on Delete Files to delete all the temporary selected files from there. Next, you will need to go back to the NVIDIA Control Panel, and then in Global Settings tab, scroll down to Shader Cache Size and set it back to Driver Default again, and then click on the Apply button. Next, you can close this and just simply restart your system by clicking on the Restart. And that should fix the FPS drops and performance issues with NVIDIA. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.